Muses yo ken gagilpran nyo kakabsat taanod damay day salayo tayo 30 ada pasala pa-contest di Binibini ken kas pangnayon ni Pitsina kada nanimas kung tayo pinagradsak mayawis kada iti 16 nga nakisali dito nga barangay nga adda pasalisal wino contest iti showtime kakay sala po nga mabuybuyan yun yung channel 2 yung ABS-CBN di Aldao nga nag-championship sa Dikalman.
Iliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting. Buhay langit sa piling mo, aming ligaya na kanilang ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Barangay Agaguman, Agrico Sabo. Barangay Ambalayat, iti agpakapuka amba. Invest nga marcha kakabsat, kaslapan da makidisco. Okay, showtime! Woo! Come on, maestro! Disco time, baby!
This should be played at high volume.
Tayo nga makili awan sa bali ni Honorable Roque S. Versosa. Thank you, Apo Bukal. Nagpagabigat tayo amin na po, dali ko itatanang ng runa rin ito ng Bimbukel. Ito na ito'y Christmas League, ito ito'y Camp Bunuan. Ipagpanguluan na ito referee. Ito'y matatay konsultant ng referee ni Ray Gariando. Of course, ni Apo Bukal, nga iso ni bunot dulo na itinigitoy nga salisal nga maintinted ko na kayo akas pagrubuatan nyo into no sumarsaro ng Aldao na kailangan nyo talaga na ito'y nga experience sa tabalang.
I state your name, participant of the Camp Bunuan Invitational League, do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions
Barangay Agaguman.
Hello. Good morning to each and everyone. I'm Kate Jasmine L. Junicio, 16 years of age, and I'm studying at Tagudin National High School, 4th year high school.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Melissa Andaya, representing Team Honors of Ambalayat. I just want to say, it's not a matter of memories, but it's the matter of values we learn in this sport. Thank you.
Thank you, Melissa.
Good morning to each and everyone. I'm Femi Gomez from Bariuan. I'm first year college, taking up Doctor of Veterinary Medicine at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University.
I'm Danette Barnachea, representing Buka West. I'm 16 years old. I study at Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State of College, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Thank you.
Okay, businesswoman gayam ni Yana.
Good morning to each and everyone. Jay magasangan, ijay mga tisili iso magasangan. To take it seriously, every consequences has a cost. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Hanilet Ortega, 19 years of age, representing the St. Paul team from Kabugbugan! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My motto is, a quitter never wins and a winner never quits. My name is Alvi Joy Laranang, 18 years of age, taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Lorma, representing the team of Jump Force.
Okay, Ivy.
Hello, good morning to everyone. I'm Danica Trina Sirobina, 16 years old from Kabulanglangan. My athletic ability is to be second to none always. Thank you.
Good morning. Soar high and stand up whenever you're down. This is Marichel Pera, 14 years of age, from the island of Pula. I'm studying at St. Augustine School, 3rd year high school.
Right.
Naipagabigat kayo ang amin, Apo. Siya ni Rica Lardizabal, taking up education at Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, a 3rd year college student. Thank you.
Okay, Rika. And tomorrow, Ranget versus Aguman, 2:30 p.m. So that ends up the first 2 days schedule, and we will provide you. Kata kayo to schedule you mo. Nunto no, Madam Dara. Okay, first game, Garitan versus San Miguel. No, 1 niya may isa. Considered po.